In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to correctly set up a new customer in the FloorVisio MRP system. From the home page, go to the top menu bar. Left-click on View. From the drop-down, select View All Customers. At the bottom of the customer list, click Add New, then select Continue. You will now be taken to the customer profile form. This form sets up all default billing, shipping, accounting, and communication settings for each customer, so getting it right the first time saves you time and prevents errors down the road. Let's get started. 1. Customer name. Begin by entering the customer name exactly as you want it to appear on quotes, orders, and invoices. Example, Demo Shop. 2. Sales tax. Enter the customer's sales tax rate as a percentage. For example, 9.75. If the customer is tax exempt, enter 0.00 and make sure you have their exemption certificate on file. 3. FOB. FOB stands for Freight on Board. Enter the city or shipping point associated with this customer. Example, Demo City. 4. Default carrier. Select or type the customer's preferred shipping carrier. Common examples, UPS, FedEx, USPS, Freight. 5. Default shipping account. If the customer has a shipping account number they want you to bill shipments to, enter it here. If not, leave it blank. 6. Bill to address. Next, fill in the billing address exactly as the customer uses it for invoices and payments. Example. Demo Shop P.O. Box 123, Demo City, Tennessee, 37874. 7. Ship to address. Enter the default shipping address where this customer usually receives orders. Example. Demo Shop 123, Demo Street, Demo City, Tennessee, 37874. If they have multiple sites, you can add alternate shipping accounts later. 8. Create emails manually. If you want the system to automatically generate outbound emails for POs, quotes, etc., leave this unchecked. Turn it on only if you prefer to manually create all customer emails inside the system. 9. ASN emails. Enter the email addresses that should receive advanced shipping notifications. Multiple emails can be used, separate them with commas. Example, info@floorvisio.com. 10. QB customer name. This is the name that appears in QuickBooks. It must match exactly to avoid sync issues. If the customer already exists in QuickBooks, copy that name here. 11. Invoices in QuickBooks. Choose how FloorVisio should send invoices. Send invoices by email from QuickBooks. Create invoices only. Do not create invoices. Select the workflow your company uses. 12. AP emails. Enter the email address for the customer's accounts payable department. This is where invoices, statements, or payment notices get sent. 13. Payment terms. Use the drop-down to select the customer's agreed-upon payment terms. Examples include Net 30, Net 45, Due upon receipt. 14. Labor margin and material margin. Enter the default markup percentages for this customer. Examples. Labor margin, 25. Material margin, 25. These percentages affect quoting and pricing calculations. 15. Material certs. Choose Yes if this customer requires material certificates with shipments. Choose No if they do not. 16. Inspection report required. If the customer requires an inspection report with every shipment, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. 17. Certificate of Conformance. Certain customers require a Certificate of Conformance, COC. Set this to Yes or No depending on their requirements. 18. Sales rep. Assign a sales representative from the drop-down list if applicable. 19. Sales rep commission. If your company uses commissions, enter the commission percentage for this customer. If not, leave it blank. 20. Alternate shipping accounts. If the customer has multiple shipping account numbers, enter them here. Alternate shipping account number 1. Alternate shipping account number 2. Alternate shipping account number 3. Alternate shipping account number 4. If not applicable, leave them blank. 21. Customer notes. Use this box to record any special instructions, reminders, preferences, or compliance requirements specific to this customer. Examples. Always ship via UPS ground. Requires inspection report and COC. Do not ship without customer approval. Final step. Once all fields are complete, double-check your entries for accuracy, especially addresses, emails, payment terms, and QuickBooks names. Then click Save. Your customer profile is now ready to use.